So, happy birthday, Kai, again. So, si Kyra di ay akong best friend since grade 1 sa Mando Christian. Grade 2. So, si Kyra ang type of friend na positive always when it comes to me, kay mas magulang pa man ko kay Kyra, pero siya ang gastud as ate sa amo. O, naadyo siya sa ako, pero me always, gabi na pang niapil ko gihiyas ng kalambuan. Kung wala akong kaapil o gihiyas ng kalambuan, kung wala si Kyra, kay siya ang nag-push sa ako. Siya akong
mentor.
Pero me, o nakoy mga problema na siya, pero me. Walang kay, kung need mo guidance always, o pero me maduulan, kalimtan mo ka sa tanan na ala ko doon. I love you.
Next.
Okay, so once again, happy birthday, Kaino. So I was not informed that I am the part of 18 Candle, so I'm not really prepared. So yes, si Kyra, she is a type of friend. Tama na si Frankie, she is always positive since katulong grade, I think grade 5, right? Yeah, itong grade 5 ni, yeah, kay grupo siya nila nila upat, pero wala lang din isa kay ambot absent siya. Yes, si Kyra, kay buutan siya na friend. Buutan siya na friend, maayo, dahil na siya kaduulan, and approachable siya.
Ay, dali na kaduulan si Kyra, guys.
Approach sa iya ka, mag-share sa imuhang mga problems or what, because she is a good listener. And Kai, once again, ako masulti lang siya sa imuha nyo, is padayon niya yun sa imuha, mga pangandoy sa life. Always continue to strive for the better, and don't settle for less. Always know that you are worth it, and also continue to honor your parents. And also, Kai, continue also to honor and serve the Lord and seek Him first, because you know everything will follow. So again, Kai, I'm always here for you to support for you. I'm just one shot away because busy man ko. I'll make time for you. Okay, happy birthday, Kai. I love you.